Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do the move, the double man spin. Possibly the easiest double move there is out there, because it's not really a double. Standard man spin, you go back, you go through, you go catch, and then it's return. Now, in a single man spin like that, the guy is actually only doing half a turn. So the double is in fact just adding a rotation to that. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break it down. Man's left, lady's right. Semicircle back. You're going to start the lady coming in. Guys, we're turning left. The hand is still going onto the hip. And at this point, guys, the only thing we really need to be careful of is not clouting the lady as we come round. So what we're going to do is, as the lady walks by, we're going to get an extra rotation in before we catch the hand and then return. And I actually said something there that's technically wrong. And the reason I said that is because before we catch the hand, in actuality, if we're doing a normal man spin, it's not really a spin. We haven't let go, which means we do catch the hand. Now, if I was to do a spin and Karen was on the spot, yeah, so if we were here and I did a spin, I would offer and Karen would be catching me because she's not spinning. So whoever isn't spinning is doing the catching, and if everybody's spinning, then the leader is doing the catching. So in our double man spin, it's actually the lady's job to catch the fella, which is a really big advantage, because what that means is as we come in, we can offer the hand ahead of our turn, and the lady can be catching us while we catch up, which means we've got more time as well. So 1, it's not 2 rotations, and 2, we've got more than a count to do it in. Makes it really a lot easier than all the other doubles. So let's see if we can sneak our way through it. We go back for 1. As we come in, guys, turning left, get your arms out of the way, get round, offer the hand ahead, ladies catch it, guys catch up as the lady steps back, and then all we need is a return and back. It is exactly the same timing as a standard man spin. So double and single are exactly the same timing. So we go back on 1, across on 2, catch on 3, returning 4, and back 5. Okay, let's try it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a double, man spin, back, through, catch, return, and back. So there you go. The double that gives you all the glory but none of the work. There is one final tip about the who catches who when you're dancing. Occasionally you'll get a situation where maybe you do something like this, where a double man spin. There's loads of other music that you get the same problem with, and what happens is the guy's here, he's doing something big, so he does a spin, and the lady goes, oh, he's doing something, I should do something, so the lady sends herself off into a spin, and at this point you're there thinking, who should be doing the catch now? And often the lady will think, I'm spinning, therefore the guy's going to do the catch. And the simple thing is, at the point the lady decided to do that, she became the leader, which means it's actually her job to catch because she led the spin. When the guy set off, he didn't know that was going to happen, so he's expecting to be caught. If the lady's changed that, it's not only her job to catch him, but it's her job to be where he needs her to be. So if she spins and travels away, just as normal, if the guy has to chase the lady, in this case, the lady has to chase the guy. And that really is a conversation starter. So, hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. And like, subscribe, hit the bell. Really helps us out and promotes the channel. So that's really, really appreciated. So thank you to everybody who does that. And we'll pop a music recommendation on the end. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.